Good morning, friends. Myself, K. Srikanth, Associate Professor of ECS Department, JPRSA Karnool. And let us discuss today's topic, Java installation using JDK software. Let us move step by step what we need to perform. The first step is to open command prompt and type the following command. Check whether Java is installed or not. I am opening command prompt using just for search for command prompt is there. Here I need to check whether Java is installed or not by using a command called java space hyphen hyphen version, and we are getting an error that Java command is not recognized. Just type the command java hyphen hyphen version. So this is the first step we need to complete. Then so now in our system there is no software Java. We need to download it, right? The second step is to download JDK software in online using Google Chrome or any browser. I'm opening Google Chrome. I just open one more tab. So where I search for JDK download. See here, we have a lot of websites where we can download JDK software. I just open the very first link, and we also come to know that Oracle company is developing JDK software. So I just open this first link and check the version which is available here. So it is a JDK 24 is the latest version, which is which we can download here. So instead of going with latest version, we just go with 17 version. So here you can see a lot of files are there to download. So if you are using Linux operating system, so these are the first file links that we need to use to download the software. Then Mac OS for Apple systems, and we have Windows environment 3 links, and we just go download the .exe file, right? So which is of size 153 MB. I am just clicking this. It is downloading in downloads. Click a save button. So my download is completed. I just go to this folder and check whether JDK is downloaded or not. It is downloaded. So in the third step, we need to install. So we have downloaded. Here we search for JDK 17 download. It. In the third step, so we need to install JDK software by using the process that is shown here. I'm going to downloads folder. So where JDK is downloaded, I'm just double clicking it, and we got a window where it is asking yes and no. So whether you want to install the software or not, I am just clicking yes, and the process is started. We got a one more window, so where we have two buttons, one is next and the other one is cancel. I want to click next button. In the next window, it is asking where you want to install. So the path is, it is C drive, program files, Java and JDK 17 folder where we install our software, right? It can be changed, but which is not necessary at this point of time. I am going with the default path, and just I am clicking next button, and the installation process is started, and Java development kit 17 is successfully installed, and you just close this button. In the fourth step, you have to close the command prompt window and again open it, and type the following command to see whether Java installed or not in yours. The command, it is same thing. It is Java space hyphen hyphen version. Get the JDK version that is installed, and we all know that it is 17. I'm just going to command prompt, which is already open. I would like to close it, and I want to search for command prompt. Open it, and you type a command called Java space hyphen hyphen version. Great. So we got some information from the OS that Java 17 is installed successfully. So now we can run our Java programs uh, using Java C command and Java command that we will discuss next. Thank you for listening this video. Hope you all come to understand the process of Java installation or JDK installation. I just want to review how we install the Java software. So we just open the command prompt. We check for a command called Java hyphen hyphen version, and we got some error that Java is not recognized. Then we opened a Google Chrome browser, and we searched for Java JDK 17 software, and I downloaded it using in the Oracle website, right? So we have used the Oracle website to download from Oracle. It is a free version, right? So no need to pay any amount to download the software. So then we try to install JDK software by clicking jdk.exe file, and we just followed next net button and successfully install the software in our system, right? Then at last again we want to check whether Java is installed or not by using the same command, Java space hyphen hyphen version. So for that we need to close the command prompt, which is in open state, and again we need to open a fresh command prompt window, and we need to check whether Java installed or not, and we have seen that it is successfully installed, right? Thank you for your listening.